Looking for the best mechanical gaming keyboard that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best mechanical gaming keyboard that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This mechanical gaming keyboard combines vibrant lighting, customizable controls, and smooth performance for both gaming and everyday productivity. Its 11 unique backlight effects, 5 brightness levels, and adjustable lighting speeds let you create a comfortable atmosphere for late-night work or immersive gaming, while the double-injection ABS keycaps provide clear illumination and durable, precise typing. Macro editing through the software adds flexibility, allowing users to remap keys, create shortcuts, or combine multiple functions for faster workflows. The hot-swappable linear red switches offer a smooth, lightweight feel that suits fast-paced RPG, MMO, and FPS gaming, while 4 spare switches and 2 replacement keycaps add useful longevity. Full key anti-ghosting helps ensure every keystroke registers accurately during intense gameplay. One limitation is that the backlight effects are adjustable, but the actual colors cannot be changed, which may disappoint users seeking extensive RGB customization. Next up is Logitech Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Built for gamers who prioritize durability, precision, and dependable performance, this mechanical gaming keyboard combines premium construction with practical features. Its heat and wear-resistant PBT keycaps are designed to withstand heavy, long-term use while maintaining their texture and appearance better than standard ABS keycaps. Tactile mechanical switches provide responsive feedback and satisfying actuation, making every keystroke feel precise during competitive gaming or everyday typing. The sleek black brushed aluminum top case adds a premium look and enhances structural durability, while the white LED backlighting delivers a clean, understated aesthetic for gaming in low-light environments. With 6-key rollover and anti-ghosting technology, the keyboard helps ensure multiple simultaneous inputs register accurately during fast-paced gameplay. Convenient FN media controls provide quick access to volume, playback, track skipping, muting, and lighting adjustments, making this a versatile choice for gamers seeking a reliable and stylish wired mechanical keyboard. Coming in at number 3 is Womir Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This 75% gasket-mounted mechanical keyboard blends customization, comfort, and premium performance into a compact design that suits both gaming and productivity. Its built-in display, positioned at an ergonomic 11 degrees oblique angle, provides quick visual access to useful information and settings, including custom GIFs, caps lock status, connection mode, Win/Mac compatibility, system details, backlight brightness and speed, RGB modes, colors, volume, and language. The gasket mount structure, combined with an EVA positioning plate and bottom filling, delivers a softer, more responsive typing experience while helping reduce unwanted noise and improve stability. Pre-lubed linear switches with south-facing transparent light diffusers produce smooth keystrokes and a clean, satisfying sound straight out of the box. The hot-swappable PCB supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, giving enthusiasts plenty of room for customization. Now number 4, SteelSeries Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard combines the satisfying tactile feedback of blue mechanical switches with the smooth feel of a membrane mechanism, offering responsive performance and durability rated for up to 20 million key presses. Its OLED smart display adds a modern, customizable touch, allowing users to showcase GIFs, monitor game information, view Discord messages, and more without interrupting gameplay. Built with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame, the keyboard feels exceptionally sturdy and designed to withstand demanding daily use. Dynamic per-key RGB lighting enhances the gaming setup with vibrant color combinations and reactive effects that can be customized to match your style or mood. The premium magnetic wrist rest provides generous palm support, helping improve comfort during extended gaming or typing sessions while remaining easy to attach or remove. Measuring 900 by 300 by 4 mm, its spacious layout offers ample room for smooth mouse movement, making it a strong choice for immersive gaming and productive desktop use. And finally, our last pick is Alla Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This retro-inspired mechanical gaming keyboard combines vintage aesthetics with practical features for gaming, typing, and everyday productivity. Its blue mechanical switches deliver crisp click sounds, springy responses, and satisfying tactile feedback, while double-shot injection-molded round keycaps provide excellent durability and clear backlighting. The stepped floating design helps position fingertips naturally, potentially reducing fatigue and typing errors during extended sessions. A versatile control knob and dedicated multimedia keys make it easy to manage volume, playback, and lighting, with 19 lighting effects, adjustable brightness and speed, plus 3 customizable backlight profiles. The sturdy aluminum alloy panel offers a scratch-resistant matte finish, while the magnetic ergonomic wrist rest provides comfortable palm support. With full 104-key anti-ghosting and independent switches, simultaneous inputs register accurately for fast-paced gaming. Its wired USB connection ensures reliable performance and broad compatibility with PCs, Macs, laptops, tablets, and desktops makes it a versatile choice for users who appreciate distinctive style and dependable functionality. So those were the top 5 best mechanical gaming keyboard you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.